Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence. I am actually doing this video to let you guys know what the next sound system roll call is going to be. You don't know, sound system roll call every first and third Sunday at the luxurious banquet hall in Lauderdale, Florida. The biggest thing going on right now. If you don't know, now you know. Seeing? So sound system roll call is, Sequence, that's me, and O'Neal Hot Steppa. We're the promoters of this event. So we have been doing it now going on 3 months. It's picking up, it's building up, it's getting to be quite nice actually. Now we have on the 6th, April 6th is the next event. We have Hot Steppa Sound. We have Enforcer, the World Sound. We have Gansta Vibz, and we have Love Vibe. Seeing? We have Simone doing the food. Simone food is actually really, really good. Simone is always on time. Simone get there early and the food is really, really good. Seeing? We have Patrick Lexus, the host. Patrick is the man. Patrick is doing it. Seeing? We have Setta as the guest DJs this time. Trendsetter Sound, Big Back Trendsetter, King Trendsetter is going to be there as one of the guest sound. That's what we do. We bring in a guest sound, a guest selector, a guest DJ at every event on top of the 4 sounds. So every sound will have at least 2 guest DJs, but the DJ that we're featuring this time is Trendsetter. Same. So again, we have Simone with the food, we have Patrick Lexus, the host, Hot Steppa, Enforcer, Gansta Vibz, Love Vibe. Admission is only $10. Seen, so you cannot complain. Even though I have people complain, but it's kind of ridiculous that you would complain at $10. But anyway, that's what it is, and it's getting nice. What I'm here to tell you now is that it'll get wicked because now we have dub for dub. The last hour is dub for dub. Straight for the whole hour, and it is really, really getting interesting. The vibes is up, the vibe is way, way up, and the sound system, them saying so far, the sound system has been, tremendous. Remember, we have a minimum of 8 bass speakers per sound system, with the tap-ins to match. So you can use 8 single 18s, 4 double 18s, 21s, whatever, 15s, whatever you use for bass. You're allowed 8 speakers on the bass, and whatever tap-ins you generally use to match those 8 speakers. It's been going quite well. We've gotten complaints that the bass is too much and this and that, so we're going to try to moderate that and tune it down a little bit to make people more comfortable. Even though it's a sound system event, people are complaining about the sound systems being a little bit too much, so we are going to address that once and for all. I said that a couple of times, but I'm going to make sure that we address that and make sure the sound systems are playing at a level where people can enjoy without any discomfort. You feel me? Especially the ladies, because you don't know, we want the ladies to come out. We don't want a dance full of man alone. We want enough woman with the man them. Seeing, so far it's building and it's looking good. So yeah, we're going to moderate that. So again, we have Hot Steppa, Enforcer, Gansta Vibe, Love Vibe, Trendsetter, Simone with the food, and Patrick Lexus. That is sound system roll call each and every first and third Sunday of the month. Luxurious banquet hall in Lauderdale, Florida. Seeing? Again, one big up the sound man them. Can't forget the sound man them. All the sound men so far that has brought their sound system into the event. Thanks for the support. Because again, without you guys, we can't really do the event. Because even though I have a sound system and O'Neal have a sound, it's a 4 sound every first and third Sunday. So obviously we need other sounds. So I'm grateful and thankful for the man them who bring out them songs. Because I don't know, we can't do it without you. See? And eventually this thing will be making enough money where we can start, sharing and paying sound systems to be in the event. Right now we're just making enough to keep the event going forward. You know, we have to pay for the place, we have to make sure we have liquor, we have to pay the bartenders, we have to pay the person that work at the gate, you know, security, all of that. So we're making enough to keep it going forward. Eventually we want to make enough where we can pay the sounds to come. Something, maybe not no big amounts, depend until it get big, but at least we want to be able to give the sound people something for coming out. But as of right now, we're really just building the thing, and you know, it's me and O'Neal footing the bill. But we feel like South Florida needed an event. South Florida needed something. There's nothing really going on with 100 sound systems just sitting in people's garage. So we're getting to showcase these sound systems and let the world know that South Florida have some of the wickedest sound systems. And that is no joke. South Florida have some really, really, really good systems. And most of them are literally just sitting in garages or warehouses all throughout South Florida. So with this event, we get to showcase the sound systems. Now I got one of my little brethren hit me up this week and asked me what happened to the small sounds. 8 bass speakers is really just one column of most of the sound systems. You're saying? So yeah, if your sound don't have 8 bass speakers yet, just be patient and build. When your sound reach 8, you come and you'll be involved. But we can't cut it down to 4 speakers because we started it out as a 8 speaker minimum. So if you don't have 8 yet, don't get discouraged, just build. When you reach there, we'll include you in the mix, you feel me? So yeah, that's it. Again, thanks for everybody that is supporting the thing. Looking forward to seeing you at the next event, that is April 6th. We start setting up like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We really can't play the music until 4 because their church is using different parts of the complex, and we can't really start playing the music until after the churches are finished. So we can go there 3 hours and set up, but we can't really do anything until 4 o'clock. We can't start playing the sound at 4. The event starts at 6, seeing, and end at 12. So it's 6 to 12 every first and third Sunday. Alright, big up yourself and thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates.